Hello, just got done watching the Netflix film A Family Affair. Came out in 2024. It's a comedy that is a 1 hour and 53-minute film rated PG-13. It's got Nicole Kidman, Zac Efron, and it's a rom-com about a vain movie star who falls for his assistant's widowed mom. I thought it was for a rom-com, it was pretty good. There was actually a couple scenes that made me laugh out loud. I would give it a solid 3 out of 5. Lisa, what about you?
Yeah, 3.5.
3.5 for you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like that they had a lot of big names. Kathy Bates is in this. Yeah, it's just, I mean, if you're just looking for a chill romantic comedy, I'd say this is a pretty decent one.
Yeah, it's PG-13.
Yeah. So, I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. If you've seen A Family Affair, let me know what you thought of it. I will link the trailer below or pin it below. And, yeah, if you haven't seen it, do you typically enjoy rom-coms? Are romantic comedies your deal? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.